Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken green masala recipe with coconut milk. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. First we'll prepare masala. For that I have taken a pan. Into that I'm going to add some garam masala item, few cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and also we need to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Here I forgot to add it. Dry roast them. Once done, remove them on a plate. Next, into a same pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoon of oil, and to this I'm going to add 1 whole garlic cloves and 2 inch of chopped ginger, 1 small onion and half tomato. Fry them until they are mushy. Next I am going to add 1 bunch of coriander leaves and few mint leaves. And also we need to add 2 green chili. Fry them nicely. Once done, cool them and add little tamarind and make a fine paste. Next, take a kadai. To this I am going to add enough oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add 3 sliced onions and 1 green chili. Fry the onion till they are golden brown in color. Next I am going to add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Fry them until tomatoes are soft. Now it's time to add chicken. Here I have taken 1 kilo of well cleaned chicken, and also I'm going to add salt to taste and turmeric powder. Mix well and close the lid and cook it until it is soft, and also keep checking in between. Now our chicken is cooked well. Now I'm going to add ground green masala and also coconut milk. Coconut milk I already told how to make it. It is in my chicken curry recipe. You can go and check it. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. Close the lid and boil it for 5 minutes. And the chicken green masala curry is ready to be served. Try these out at home and leave me a comment how it was. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and thank you for watching.